Hello Thrivers, this is George with Modern Day Thrive. I just wanted to go over an application that we've talked about many times on our site, but I wanted to show you a little bit more about the app that it's kind of hard to tell you about and better to show you about. The app is called Receipt Hog, and very simple application to use. It's not something that earns you a lot of money, but if you're already spending money, it's a good way to recapture some of it. I click on my Receipt Hog application here. It launches up. See, I have 1,026 currently, which is actually why I wanted to do the video, because I wanted to show you the redeem process. But I will do a quick capture while I'm here to kind of give you the ease of how the application works. Bottom right hand corner, you'll see a picture of a camera. You go ahead and click on the camera. Brings up a window, and you center the receipt inside of the window, and then you just tap the button at the bottom, hit done, hit submit. Ask you a little survey. Sometimes I'll ask you some additional questions. You just answer the questions, and then as you see, it's processing the receipt. I actually have a second receipt here. So while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And go ahead and get that out of the way while I'm here. Now sometimes it'll reject the receipt. I just kind of move on and don't worry about it. Just because it's not worth it. Try to fight the the little couple receipts that it just doesn't want to receive. So when it accepts those receipts, it will increase your total. And if you noticed as well down at the bottom, I'm kind of glad this came up. It says slots, and it's got a number 1 on it. After so many receipts you put in and so many points you get some free slot spins. And you just basically pull down on the slot there. If we're lucky, this time we were not. And you get matching. You'll get additional free items at the top. It'll give you like points, like either 5 points here, 2 points here, sometimes 10 points. It just depends. And what I want to do now is, because once you get to 1,000 points, you can redeem, which I am going to attempt to do. I have never done it on this app yet, so we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to attempt to receive $5 on PayPal. Putting in my PayPal address, hit next. So I'm going to send the code to my phone. 792 1976. It looks like it accepted it. We're going to go ahead and hit submit. Great, we received your request. Next step, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Within 7 days, PayPal will email you about your payment. I'll go ahead and hit done. And then as you can see, it brought my coins down to 36. So it went ahead and cashed out the coins that I had. So what I'll do is I'll monitor my PayPal and provide an update to everyone to make sure the payment did go through, to make sure it is a good source of some income. It's only $5, but $5 back on money I was going to already spend anyway. I'll take any day of the week. So we'll go from there. And like I say, I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on this application. It's called Receipt Hog. I've enjoyed the application. It's fairly easy to use, and hope you guys have an awesome day. Again, this is George from Modern Day Thrive. Hope this video helped you out. If there's anything that you like about this video, we'd appreciate that go ahead and give us a like. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, because we're going to have more content like this, and share, like, and follow. Appreciate it. Thanks, and have a good day.